but we grow numb to the sounds and feelings slowly start to drown. The first time we can hear a voice, but soon it all becomes noise, fading to silence in the end. I know it doesn't make sense when sound don't ceases to exist. People think that means happiness, and all the sounds that used to be are all just noise to you and me. The cries of help disappear, the silence numbs all our ears, and when we stop listening, those screams stop meaning anything. Don't you let your heart come down to everyone. Oh child, listen to the sound of silence, saving someone else means saving yourself. It's true, and I'm sure you know it too. When you hear an SOS answering, it becomes a test. It can give the life you lead a meaning that you've never seen. So don't resist the call for help, cause in the end it will tell you how to treasure yourself and not be alone. It might seem a little strange to share this song this way, but I know what I must do is share the meaning with you. All this I learned from someone who spent his life among people screaming out for help, doing everything to reach out.